Hello everyone. Today let's break our silence on seizure or recurrent seizure, that's epilepsy. It is surrounded by so many misinformations and myths which does not only affect the individual but also hampers the understanding of the society and the safety. Foremost, seizures are not supernatural. It's not indicative of any devil possession. So no self-innovative techniques to treat it. Every seizure is not associated with tonic-clonic movements. Sometimes you have only a blank face, a repetitive movement of one body part, loss of bowel and bladder control, or loss of the full muscle tone. People with seizure can lead a normal life, work normally with full responsibility. They have the same emotional stability and intelligence quotient like any of their other colleagues. It's not contagious. You don't catch seizure from anyone else. Triggers for seizures are individualized. Lack of sleep, stress, fever, flashing lights, alcohol, trauma, low blood sugar, etc. In case you witness a patient having seizure in front of you, stay calm. Record the time and the duration of seizure. Gently roll the patient to their side with their mouth pointing towards the ground. Remove anything which is tightening around the neck. Remove the eyeglasses. Don't restrain the movements of the patient. Just remove anything hard or sharp, anything dangerous which is surrounding the patient. Put a cushion pillow jacket below the head to prevent injury. Don't put anything in the mouth of the patient. It can cause serious harm. Patients during seizure are generally not in pain, but temporary somnolence and behavior changes might be there post-seizure in these patients. Don't offer food and water to them until and unless the patient is awake and fully conscious. Don't leave the side of the patient. Wait there. Let the seizure pass and then reassure the patient. All seizures are not medical emergencies. You should know the red alerts like it was the first seizure episode. The seizure lasted for more than 5 minutes. A second seizure came after the first seizure. The patient is a diabetic. A patient is a known case of heart disease. The patient is pregnant. The patient does not regain consciousness. The patient is not breathing after seizure. Call the ambulance immediately. Once the patient has recovered, reassure the patient that this is a highly treatable condition with medications and with many other modalities which are coming forth. It's not a lifelong condition. One can actually outgrow the seizures. Generally, the seizure medication is for 2 to 5 years and patients can have a seizure-free life. One should have a seizure-free episode of at least 3 months before one starts driving. Don't discriminate. Share your problem with the relatives and your friends as they can be useful at the time of seizures. Understand the realities of seizure is very vital. Dispel the myths. We have to change the fear to facts, the stigma with support. In case you have any queries about the seizure, kindly comment below. Till then, stay blessed and stay healthy. Thank you.